Turn that shit up. Show you how to smoke it, son.
Yo.
Hey, this is the real one right here.
Niggas ain't bullshit, man.
Check it out.
Y'all wanna get it? Ain't nothing, this AP, nigga. Yo, if the fifth clap, nigga, get your shit cracked. You don't wanna beef, little nigga, best you big back. I don't give a fuck, you blood a crip, best you kick cat. If not, nigga, get your motherfucking neck snap. Who the fuck want test? Nigga, this is AP, guns off safety. Can't catch you, catch your mother or your baby. Bitch, nigga, better watch your mouth. Little nigga, I told you, I would send the kids to watch your house. Little niggas that's really young, that bigger guns. Niggas really wanna talk, okay, I hope your lungs come with an iron cast. If not, little nigga, you go better duck when that iron pass. If not, I'm bringing 4-5 plus cash. Niggas hop out, cop back, then we do blast. Little nigga, you don't wanna play homicide, down the ride. If a nigga wanna play, he's down to die. And I ain't gotta say nothing, choices down to try. Shit, little nigga, ain't nothing to lose. Motherfucker, I'm on the strip, got nothing to prove. And if a nigga wanna play, I'm clapping it too. Wait up, I pop two, hit your chest and your stomach. Little nigga wanna play, you get choked to your vomit. I don't spit, I vomit. I'm sicker than the most. I hold a toast, told you so. I put you front the Holy Ghost, yo. Little nigga, this AP, you don't want no beef, little nigga, don't play we.
Yo, the mic check, 1 2 1 2. Mic check, 1 2 1 2. Can you feel it? I'm a motherfucking contender. Uppercut, jab, and dip. Niggas get injured on my stomping grounds, smashed the pen. A verbal masterpiece, spitting out the mouthpiece. Attack your earlobe through the radio, Tyson style. So let the bell ring, ref, lower that mic down. Hit, toss him off the turnbuckle, split his lip gloss. Son playing this too close, you need to hold up. Get your ass cut shorter than cords on Nintendo controllers. The black snatchers shitting this over. Holla year ye quarters now in session on a lame motherfucker come looking to get beheaded. I'ma take him to the dungeon, show him them torture weapons. We can tie him to 4 horses, send him in 4 directions, less than 4 seconds. Cause you was disrespected, keep forgetting blacks not part of that color spectrum in the fruity ass rainbow. So lay low before the thing blows, serve your ass 2 wings and a fucking halo. Your marketing technique in the streets ain't working. I clown more niggas than the universe soul circus. I mash your ass like garbage bags, back of a garbage truck. Simple fact, you garbage as fuck. Keep it moving.
Blondes, keep the move. AP, nigga. Blondes,
Blondes,
what you doing, nigga? Blondes, where you at, nigga? AP, me, you watching TV, you ain't spitting, nigga.
Watching cartoons, nigga.
Nigga, fuck you, a cartoon, nigga. It's funny, man. You know what I'm saying?
Stop that shit. Stop it, Pop.
It ain't on, nigga. Fuck, see, nigga, you got up.